Hello?
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 Hello, yes? Yeah, who's this?
Hello?
Yeah, who's this, please?
Hello?
Yeah, who's this?
You, who are you? What's your name?
Me, my name? My name is
Yes.
Wilfredo. How
So
about
how
you?
did you get my number?
Well, secret. I know you. Your name is Rain. Is that right? Rain Uy Magale?
Yes.
Yes.
So how
Rain.
did you get my number?
Surprise. Are you from Davao City, Rain?
Yes.
What are you doing right now, Rain?
Actually have tutorial online student.
I'm sorry about that. You're kind of busy? Is that right?
It's actually my break time.
Oh, it's until what time?
I think I only have 20 minutes as of
Oh,
now.
can you give me about 10 minutes just to talk about life?
I'm sorry.
What?
Is
Huh?
this a prank call?
No. I just want to be a friend to you. Can we be friends?
But how did you get my number?
Well, it is a dream. It is a dream come true. Are you single?
Where are you from? I didn't even know you.
Well, I am from the planet Earth. Are you from the
Okay,
planet Mars?
bye-bye.
Oh, wait. Hoy, si Willie to. Nabili mo eh. Sandali. Ay!
Tumutok lang para manalo, tutok lang.
It's a prank. May English ah. Binabaan ako. Yung isa, di ba sabi, gwapo ako. Isa naman, bulol. Kung ano naman sasabi sa akin. Binabaan ako mga kababayan. Pa-English ka pa kasi. Pwede ba ako sa Senado? That's the way you talk to Tawagin natin. Ite-text ko. Oy, si Willie to. Nakakaya. Ano pangalan? Si Rain Uy Magale ng... Ano yan? Happy 5th anniversary. Meron siyang Shopee La Remiliete. Magale. Ano yun? Tiga Davao. Busy na. At tatawag yan. Siguro marirealize niya. Ako ang lalaki para sa buhay niya. Yo, di ba? Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi hindi ito scripted. Paano ko ba text? Paano ba text? Ito. Message. Asan? Camera. Lapit. Kanaya, Job. Si Willie. So willing. si Willie de Villamito. Please answer. Meron ka ba ang oras? Pwede pa, no? Ganda. Ang number niya, yan. Yung huli niya, yan, 72, ha? So, ganito ang gagawin natin. Makipaglokohan na lang kayo. Kasi, malay nyo, ako yun. Alam na niya.
Hello?
Bakit mo ako binabaan?
Hello po. Kasi po yung channel dito, balita po kasi dito sa Davao.
Naka-channel pa, channel. Okay.
Oo, yung local na news po.
Paano mo nalaman?
Sorry. Kasi marami ding nag-prank call kay Ines.
Tama na, hindi ba, tayo ba'y nag-i-English? Ikaw ba yung kausap ko kanina?
Opo. Kasi po may
wait.
ako.
Wait. I need an evidence.
Sorry po.
Is that, I want an evidence, okay? All right. Is that you, the one I'm talking about? A while ago?
Hindi ko makita sa TV, sayang.
No. Wait. Come on, Rain. Is that you, Rain?
Yes.
Okay, I
it's
want to
me.
talk. All right. When I was talking to you a while ago, you were talking in English. Is that right?
Yes, that's right, because I have
That's
Korean
right.
students.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what are you doing right now? You're talking to me, isn't it?
Yes, I
That's-
am.
Okay. So, what is your subject? What is your subject right now?
Magbisaya na lang tayo, Will.
Bisaya ka ba? Wala mang Bisaya.
Bisaya, manggod ko.
Okay. So, taga Davao ka?
Opo.
Ilang taon ka na?
36 po. Hindi ko talaga to in-expect.
Okay. May asawa ka na ba?
Opo.
Ilan ang anak
May
mo?
mga anak na rin.
Eh, bakit ka
Dalawa po.
nakikipag-Inglesan? May English ka
Akala ko
pa?
kasi student ko. Akala ko talaga student ko.
Ah, teacher.
Kasi matagal na. Opo,
Ano,
online
teacher?
teacher po.
Ah, sorry, ma'am. Ay, si ma'am pala to. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, nako, nakikakatawa. Kita mo naman ang buhay. So, yung
Akala
nanon...
ko talaga, sir. Kasi
Hindi.
yung student ko.
So, ngayon, teacher kayo.
Opo.
Okay, Nay, eto lang. Simple lang, Ma'am Rain. Kakanta ka lang ng Lux White. Meron na tayong regalo. Go!
Okay. Lux White ba ang gamit mo? Kaya ang ganda mo.
20,000! Bigay ng Lux White!
Ang gamit mo, kaya ang ganda mo.
Alright. Congratulations, Ma'am Rain ng Davao City. Ano gusto niyo sabihin sa tutuktuin at Lux White?
Thank you so much, VMA7, tutuktuin sa Hobin, and thank you so much, Sir Willie. As in, malaking tulong po talaga to. Hindi ko in-expect.
Okay.
Kasi naiiyak ako dito. Hindi ko lang makita sa TV.
Hindi bale kasi mamaya pa silang 5:30. No? But anyway, Ma'am Rain,
Opo.
you're isa kang dakilang guro at
Ay, titingnan ko na lang sa live streaming niyo po.
pwede naman sa live streaming. Screening.
Oo.
Live screening man. Hindi, ano
Sige
tawag
po.
doon? Screaming,
Ano po? Opo.
Okay.
Hindi ko talaga in-expect. Thank you so much, Kuya Will.
Okay, but anyway, ma'am, mga tiga Davao, mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Alright? Congratulations, ma'am. Bukas, meron ka ng 20,000.
Thank you po.
Okay, ingat
Thank
po
you
kayo.
po.
Kamusta sa mga estudyante
Ingat
nyo?
din po.
Okay.
Hello everyone! Mga kapuso, I'm Donita Knows. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Marami pang hinanda para sa inyong lahat. Kaya mag-subscribe lang sa official YouTube channel ng Wowowin. Don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated.